Hello everyone, I am Shreyas Mai from Sharad Institute of Technology College of Engineering. Today I am explain the speech processing system. What is the speech processing system? The speech processing system is called as you can talk with your friends and also your family members with discussion any problem related or situation related, and also called as you can any topic related PPT presentation presenting our department. This is called as speech processing. Speech processing is nothing but communication to each other. See, I am display speech processing block diagram. The speech signal as it emerges from a speaker's mouth, nose and cheeks is a one-dimensional function of time. Microphones convert the fluctuating air pressure into electric signal, volts or currents. In which form we usually deal with speech signal in speech processing. This connected to anti-aliasing filter. An anti-aliasing filter is just a low pass filter with the cutoff frequency set to the Nyquist frequency. This is filters cut off and any higher order frequency content in the input signal, as any frequencies higher than the Nyquist frequency would be aliased. Analog to digital converts translate analog signal, real world signal like temperature, pressure, voltage, current, distance or light intensity into a digital representation of that signal. This digital representation can be processed, manipulated, computed, transmitted or stored. You can see this signal. The next block is preemphasis filter. The typically preemphasis is called as the time domain FLR filter with one free parameter. For example, in speech coding at the sampling rate of 8 kHz or 12.8 kHz, we can the preemphasis filter. Preemphasis filter also has been effect on both perceptual and statistical modeling as well as estimation of linear predictive model. Next block, noise threshold and zero alignment. The hearing threshold is the sound level below which a person's ear is unable to detect any sound. For adults, 0 dB is reference level. It means that the hearing sensitivity decreases and that it becomes harder for the listener to detect soft sound. Threshold shifts can be temporary or permanent. Next is windowing. Windowing is a classical method in signal processing and it refers to splitting the input signal into temporal segments. The border of segments are the visible as discontinuous, which is incongruent with the real world signal. You can see the windowing waveforms. Next block is spectrogram. A spectrogram is a visual way to representing the signal strength or loudness of a signal over time at various frequencies present in a particular waveform. Not only can one see whether there is more or less energy at, for example, 2 Hz versus 10 Hz, but one can also see how energy level vary over time. See the spectrogram waveform, how to work. Next is Mel scale filtering. Mel filter bank is important due to the following reasons. It applies the Mel frequency scaling, which is perceptual scale that helps to simulate the way human ear work. It is correspond to better resolution at low frequencies and less at high. You can see the Mel scale filtering, how to travel this signal. Next block is a feature extraction. Feature extraction is a process of obtaining different features such as power, pitch and vocal tract configuration from the speech signal. Parameter transformation is the process of converting these features into signal parameters through process of differentiation and concatenation. You can see the feature extraction waveform. Next is a DTW. DTW stands for dynamic time warping. The DTW is method to measure the similarity of pattern, which is different time zone. Both sound patterns are similar, thus the two voices are said to be the same. The initial data on the speech recognition process is transformed into frequency wave. This is the block diagram of speech processing system. Thank you.